Judge Remington's voice slices through the courtroom like a knife. I hereby sentence 14-year-old Jalen Carter to death. A collective gasp echoes through the room. Jalen's mother, Diane, screams in agony and collapses to her knees. No, he's just a child. He's innocent. Jalen sits frozen. His small hands tremble as two massive officers grab his arms. But please, I didn't do anything, he chokes. The white prosecutor leans back in his chair, smirking. The jury, all white, sits stiff, eyes downcast. They know this is wrong, but none dare speak. Judge Remington's smirk widens. Take him away. Jalen is yanked to his feet, his sneakers scraping against the floor as they drag him. Diane pleads, voice breaking. You can't do this. Where's the evidence? Evidence, the judge mocks. The jury made their decision. Justice has been served. He leans back, grinning, as Diane sobs uncontrollably. The prosecutor hums casually while packing his briefcase. Another day, another conviction. Jalen is shoved toward the exit. Outside, a black prison van waits. Only the slow exhale of Judge Remington breaks the silence. I hereby sentence 14-year-old Jalen Carter to death. Gasps. Again, Diane lunges forward, screaming, no. My baby, please no. Guards restrain her as she thrashes in tears. Jalen turns to his lawyer. Mr. Chandler, please say something. Chandler, his public defender, won't even look at him. Tell them I didn't do it. You know I didn't do it. Chandler clears his throat, pale. He finally speaks. The jury has spoken. The prosecutor smirks. Jalen looks around, desperate. I was at home. I didn't do anything. Diane sobs. The evidence was fake. No fingerprints, no DNA. Judge Remington sneers. Yet here we are. Because my son is black, that's why. The judge bangs his gavel. Enough. Take him away. Officers grab Jalen's arms. He fights, screaming, Mom, help me. She screams back, no, you can't do this. His feet drag along the marble floor. Outside, the prison van waits. Inside, silence. Judge Remington leans back with a smirk. Another black life destroyed. Another win for the system. Suddenly, boom, the courtroom doors explode open. A powerful voice echoes. Not so fast. A tall black woman in a sharp navy suit strides in, heels clicking like a warning shot. It's Ava Carter, Jalen's aunt, one of the nation's top civil rights lawyers. She holds up a thick folder. This trial is over. I have proof this entire case was a fraud. Gasps. The prosecutor's smirk vanishes. Judge Remington shifts. This is highly inappropriate. Remove her. Ava's voice rises. Try it. The court is live. Millions are watching. Cameras swivel toward the bench. There's no escape. She waves the folder. Fabricated DNA. False witnesses. It was a setup. A modern-day lynching. The jury stares in horror. The prosecutor goes pale. Ava steps closer. Oh, and one more thing. She slaps a document onto his desk. Bank transfers. To you. Bribes. You were paid to convict this child. Gasps again. Jalen whispers. They paid you to kill me? Judge Remington's hands shake. Get her out, he roars. Ava grins. I'm not going anywhere. But you are. She snaps her fingers. The courtroom doors burst open again. FBI agents flood in. Judge Remington, you're under arrest. Bribery. Conspiracy. Abuse of power. Handcuffs snap around his wrists. The once powerful judge is drenched in sweat. No, wait, I was just. Save it for your trial. Jalen glares. I hope they're fair to you. The courtroom erupts. Cheers, shouts, cameras flashing. The prosecutor runs. Guards release Jalen. Diane rushes in, wraps her arms around him. My baby is free. He looks at Ava, tears in his eyes. Thank you, Annie. She ruffles his hair. No one's ever doing this to you again. Judge Remington is dragged out in cuffs. The system begins to fall. Protests rise. Officials resign. The world will never forget. If you believe in true justice, comment justice for Jalen below. Outside, crowds chant. A movement is born. This story is more than a video, it's a reckoning. Will you be part of it?